All right, real everyday trader, are we ready for today? It's day 141. It's a Friday, um, end of the week. So let's go catch some trades. Okay, Aussie, Canadian. Yeah, let's zoom past this one quickly. No trades, definitely. Just making lower highs. So no trades till something happens. Breaking down, I don't think I'll take the trade. So let's wait. Aussie Swiss, we got a bit of a expansion here, but it's not going anywhere. It's not showing the direction yet. So likewise, no trade on this. I'm zooming quicker today because market is just slow. Aussie yen, yeah, still in the channel. Nothing on the price action to say a trade is coming up. It's an inside bar, so it's a narrow range and it's an inside bar, so just things that you want to take note of. Doesn't mean there'll be a trade, but stuff you take note, and if there's an edge for one of the other direction. Okay, so looks like if it breaks up on a narrow range, it could go up again, but this is really messy price action. You don't want to trade this. Okay, Aussie, New Zealand, little edge, playing to the upside, but price action is really hard to trade. You may have to hold your trade through some of these ups and downs. So I don't like doing that. Prefer clean charts. So no trade for me. Aussie dollar inside bar in the middle of the range. No trade, obviously. Next, Canadian Swiss. Yeah, drawing this trend line here. It's still holding this level, so this might be a gigantic breakout to the downside, right? So it's attacking this level here. So when this finally breaks, might be a big trade, but we don't know, right? So just set an alert, just take note, and we'll see. Canadian yen, I was trying to trade this down, impulse, pullback, and then down, but not so nice. You could have entered here, this here. You got an immediate reward the next bar, but I was in another trade, so I didn't take this one. But for today, also an inside bar right here, so it's just at a stalemate. So no trade for me. You don't even want to take the downside anymore. Swiss yen, yeah, I was looking at the pullback as well, down, pullback and out, so that didn't happen. We've got an inside bar again and a narrow range, inside bar. Just shows that there's a bit of indecision in the market. It's at this weekly level again, but I won't take a shot from here. So it's not worth the risk. It's not behaving properly. So Euro, Aussie, yeah, I took a long this morning because of this. All right, and yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens. Let's hold it for a while. The upside is, let's not be greedy, maybe to this level, slightly below this level, but we'll see. So this is one trade that is active right now. Okay, Euro CAD on the daily. So wait, let me just take note of this. That I'm in trade. Euro CAD, a push up, stalling over here. You got this level, but that doesn't mean much, you know, given that you got another level here, and it's just a bit of a cluster, you know. Yeah, this is already a lower high, so let's not do anything here. Euro Swiss, try to push up, you know, this considered still holding the trend, maybe, but I wouldn't do it. And even if I did something here, it was actually, the play would be this, right, down. So it kind of, if this was a swing, if you consider this a swing, which is tough to say, you made a lower low, so pull back and back down, might be okay. I don't know. Okay, so we'll see. We just set an alert here and see if it comes back up. Technically it should, even if it's straight up, but this double top action shows that you might want to go down. So let's just watch it. Euro, British pound, on the daily, it's a narrow range and also an inside bar. So, you know, quite a lot of inside bars yesterday. So I don't know, there could be some action today. This one here, yeah, still trending up, obviously. No obvious trades today. Okay, Euro, Yen, look at that, you got narrow range and also an inside bar. These are little stuff that you observe in the market and see if it becomes an edge and it can help you. So this one I'm watching, I'll just set an alert here. So it's quite far away, right? I mean, it's quite a big drop, because I don't want to take the upside anymore. I keep saying that and I miss opportunities, but that's fine, because that's not what I want to do. I don't want to take the upside. Okay, Euro, New Zealand, similar to Euro, Aussie, break up. The only thing is that how far can this go? You know, this could be done. If I missed it, should have been the entry earlier here at 7 a.m. So missed that already. It's gone. I won't chase this trade. So what I'll do is I just put it as a missed trade. Something like that, maybe, right? So, yep, missed trade. Euro, sorry, let's go back here again, nothing. Okay, so on the daily it's a doji. So that's why it was maybe ready for some movement. So Euro, dollar, up, down, up, kind of like a market balance here. No trades here. Obviously, even on the 2 hour, it tells you there's no trade here. Okay, pound, Aussie dollar. Yeah, I'm going a bit faster today. You got an inside bar here. Looks like there's, you know, so much indecision in the market right now. Trend is still up though, so we want to make it. We want to break this. It has to come below this, right? Come below, back up. That's my play at least. I don't want to play at this level here. Doesn't make sense. Okay, British pound Canadian, we got a narrow range, not really an inside bar, almost. It's just so hard to trade on this one. No trades on the 2 hour. I don't play trend line breaks, but we'll just draw it to show you that there is that trend there. We won't do anything. Pound Swiss, let's remove this. It got narrow range. So looks like the British pound pairs are stuck in a range, and you won't be able to get much edge trading this. So let's not try to be smart. Let's not try to be hero. No trades. British pound yen, push down, pull back, pull down. So now it's broke back up to this level here. Inside bar. No trade. Likewise, even if there's a trade, you want to wait for it to break this level here, right? This obvious level. British pound, New Zealand dollar, still moving up. Higher lows, break up. So entry was yesterday, maybe at 11 p.m. my time, a bit of a pullback and up. So yeah, so it's gone already. Missed it means I missed it. No trade. British pound dollar, right? So I said yesterday, although you had the price coming down, there was no reference. This wasn't a new swing low, because this was barely a swing. Even if this was a swing, it's higher. So you need a reference. So you always want to make a swing. Even this one, see, there's no swing, so you went back up. It's a pullback on this bigger time frame, pullback on this bigger time frame. So you want it to break this level. So what you want is, what we want to see is break of an obvious swing. Must break this level, and then the pullback, and then that's where we play this part for a higher probability trade. But other than that, no trade. Okay, New Zealand, Canadian, inside bar, narrow range. And this, you got the lower highs. So something's got to happen. Something's got to break out before we do anything. We'll check back in a couple hours. But right now, do we want to take the downside? It looks like it's trying to knock at the door for the downside, more downside, but there might be some. But then how you position yourself. So I don't really like breakout, so I'm not going to trade it. Okay. New Zealand Swiss franc still going down. Yeah. Down, pull back, but no clean entry. No clean entry based on my style of trading. So you had this down, we had to pull back. So where would you have entered, right? You'd have to enter on this bar. You would have to enter on this bar to close. As I said, I don't short there, so enter on this bar. By then your risk reward is pretty damn awful, right? You would have to account for the stop loss. I mean, you still got it, but it was pretty lousy price action. So this is stuff that I don't really like to think, although it's a tradable thing on a big move like that. Okay. New Zealand yen, same, narrow range, inside bar. So market is just priming for, sorry, let's go back. New Zealand, Swiss, yeah, no, nothing to note. New Zealand yen is just priming for some sort of a move. Right, we got this. pullback in this channel here. Will they come back down? Got 1-to-1, maybe a small position. Let's take a look. Right, it's not super beautiful. Yeah, just not worth the trade. Let's hang on to that. New Zealand, US dollar, same inside bar. Inside daily bar. It's just blah. Just nothing I'm gonna trade here. US dollar, Canadian, this is like a cancelling each other out. How do you trade this? The answer is there's no trade. Not in my books. I mean, normally this means some or downside, but no. US dollar Swiss, you got the down, up, down, so market balance here as well. In fact, it shows more weakness than anything, so this could be going down some more, but I'm not gonna trade this. I'd rather let it work itself out, and then we'll see if we can grab an easy trade. Don't trade the tough ones. US dollar yen, inside bar on a really messy price action here. There's no edge here, so no trade. Easy as that. It's easy to say no trade because that's what it is. There's really no trade. So indices, yeah, we got a down. Looks like buyers came back. So this looks like it wants to go up some more. Nothing, still haven't made a higher high. So yeah, indices is a bit different. Don't really like the trade in the morning. You can see action kicks in around London session, the drive up. So this one was the US session. So won't do anything in the day. We'll look later in the afternoon, London session. So let's just scan through and see if there's anything obvious. Okay, this one, there's a swing here, swing high. So this one we could play the pullback and then the back up again, because this was a swing, the last swing. So this made a higher high. So we'll see. The pullback might already be done. Right? It might be already done here. At least it's. We'll just wait. Aussie dollar. Let's remove that drawing. Aussie dollar. Oh, big push yesterday. Pullback opportunity was here yesterday. So now, do you want to play the pullback? Maybe. So, morning momentum still down, so we have to wait. Yeah, we want to trade this. Nikkei level here, monthly level here. Let's not do anything silly. FTSE, pretty resilient. Down, this was the pullback to downside because you got a down, up and down. So that's gone already, that's dead. Nothing we want to do right now on this. Let's look at WTI. Yeah, I traded this yesterday, managed to catch a good shot here at this level. So I was quite happy with that. Went into a lower time frame to catch this trade down and then pull back up almost immediately, and then a push down again. So Momentum is down. Don't think there's any trade today. Is there any like divergence here? No, lower, low, lower, low, no divergence here. So we don't really want to play the reversal here. So looks for some continuation to the downside, but this move is huge. Yeah, let's wait for something to happen. That's what I noticed as well, because this happened London session, the drop, and then this was US session. I won't say the open, but one after open, this thing went down again. Silver inside bar doji. Dead in the water. Wouldn't trade this. Like this push down. This isn't even a nice pullback to trade. So, right, last one, gold. Let's see if there's anything on gold. Gold. Yesterday we had the doji. This is a big doji indecision, and obviously it's an indecision inside bar. Price didn't break up or down. As expected, price would hover around here. So if you try to trade this, you would have a tough time. So right now, yeah, this is still market balance. This kind of drove everything out of whack. So we need this to kind of like show us some direction. I mean, obviously, overall momentum is still up. You want to be trading up in a way, in a sense. But right now, today, I'm not gonna trade anything. I don't see a plan for this. So okay, sorry, it's a quick one. I wanted to quickly dive through. I'm already up. I believe 6R this week. So I'm taking it easy. Okay, so take care, guys. We'll check in later. Cheers.